The Classification of Matter by Sophie Penoyer. What is a compound? A compound is a substance that contains two or more elements. The atoms of the two or more elements always combine in the same whole number ratio. There are millions of chemical compounds because there are so many different combinations of elements you can have, as shown on the periodic table. Water is a compound which contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen always combine to form water in a fixed ratio. For example, if there were only 3 molecules of water, there would be 6 hydrogen atoms and 3 oxygen atoms, because there is always a 2-to-1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen atoms in water. The chemical formula for white sugar is C12H22O11. Its molecules are composed of 12 carbon atoms, 22 hydrogen atoms, and 11 oxygen atoms. The fixed ratio of elements in white sugar is 12:22:11. Sodium and chlorine atoms combine in a 1-to-1 ratio to form salt, also known as sodium chloride. Pure substances are substances with a constant composition. They can be described by a chemical formula, and they must be the definition of either an element or a compound. For example, O2 is the pure form of oxygen. Oxygen has a constant composition of oxygen atoms. It is described by the chemical formula O2 and can be described as an element. As seen in the diagram, pure substances can be elements or compounds. Mixtures. Mixtures are samples of matter that have 2 or more pure substances and have a variable composition. When salt, NaCl, and water, H2O, combine, the result is a mixture because we can change the amount of each substance in the mixture and still have salt water. No matter how much salt we add or how much water we add, there will always be salt water. Thanks for watching.